Welcome to this tutorial video. The course comes with rendering tips to help you get started with render tools efficiently. Let's try it together. Step 1. Enter Render Tool. Go to Interior Design Tools. Select Render to enter the rendering interface. Step 2. Set aspect ratios. Select the rendering mode with perspective view, 360-degree walkthrough, and top view options. Set aspect ratios on the left panel. Step 3. Add ambient lights. Firstly, select the light template to set brightness and effect parameters. Then click Add to customize. Name the lighting project, select a basic template, and customly adjust it based on the template. Step 4. Add environments. Select the appropriate environment to set the environment brightness, tone, position, and ambient light brightness. Step 5. Adjust the camera position. Select the camera and the right panel can set the camera's position, views, and clipping effect. Step 6. Set image resolutions. There are 4 resolutions to choose from. The higher the resolution, the longer the rendering time will be. Step 7. Set advanced parameters. Select Advanced Settings to adjust the image effect advanced parameters. Step Final. View images. After adjusting all rendering parameters, click Generate. The image can be viewed in the gallery in the upper right corner. That's all. Thanks for watching.